I was saw some magazines headlines about the use of pesticides in Brazil as one of the greatest countries that use is um, putting Brazil as a very negative image from the rest of the world. And today I want to show you how we can assess this primary data that is from the FAO system, which is in the statistics platform FAOSTAT. You can see the primary data, and here in Explore Data you find a lot of databases, and you can search using keyword pesticide. For example, in pesticide use, you find quantities of pesticides used by countries, and you can compose your tab here. For example, select all country, agriculture use 2016, and total pesticides. And here in show data you can access the table with all the consumption of pesticides in tons per year per country. So you can find here, for example, let's find Brazil. You find here that Brazil consumption is about 300,000 tons in 2016, and it's basically means how much pesticides the country used in a year for its cultivation. And you can compare with all countries here. Look, China, for example, it's several times bigger, about 1,700,000 tons in 2016. So if you want to tell that Brazil is the most consumption of pesticide, you have of course compare to other countries. Let's search for a best indicator. Here in indicators you can find the use per area, which is best indicator once you can find the data relative per area. So I will select all countries and 2016 again, pesticides total, and let's do some different. Here in visualize data you can find some infographics specialization, which is sometimes bad to understand. That's some interesting happens. Even in Brazil headlines, the newspapers put this very negative image of the country using a lot of pesticides. But when you compare for the indicator the use per area, you see that Brazil is not the first or which means that the efficiency of the Brazil agriculture is superior of a lot of countries. For example, the average use area, the first is Bahamas, Costa Rica, Japan. Which position is Brazil? Let's see the number data here in show data. Sorry, Let's select here 2016, show data. You can find, for example, all countries in a table. Let's Brazil, for instance, of 4.31 kilograms per hectare. Let's find Germany, which I was reading some paper criticizing Brazil. GEG Germany 3.9. It's similar, not so low. Honduras, United Kingdom. Where is it? The next table. Oh, I saw something here. Korea, look, about 3 times more than Brazil. So United Kingdom is close. China, let's see how China goes. Argentina is a bit more. Barbados is so much more. Belgium use more. Chile use more. China about 3-4 times more. So you have to be careful when you read these papers. Usually it's not what it really means. It usually has a purpose that is not clear to the reader. So thank you very much.